Hi, I'm Tim Bartlett, and I'm here for Sharpertek. What we're going to do is demonstrate the ultrasonic blind cleaning system. It's an all-in-one complete system, completely fabricated out of stainless steel. So we have two tanks, one for the cleaning and one for the rinsing. They each have their own individual power drains, which you can see here on the side of the machine. We have a door that opens up and you can get to the underneath components very easily. With each individual filtration system, we have the front one up here for the cleaning system and the back one there for the rinsing tank. We have here the control box, which has two different power features for it. Power 1 for delicate fabrics, or Power 2 for pretty much any other type of blind. This control box plugs up in here to a power outlet that we can easily remove and replace this control box. So we'll close that up, and you can see the control panel here. The controls, we have the ultrasonic controls here, a timer and an on-off switch. We have the heating controls here with a thermostat and an on-off switch and an LED heating light indicator. We have the filtration controls for both the cleaning and the rinse tank. So let's do a demonstration and we'll see how awesome this thing can work. What we'll do, take some of these blinds here, which you can see are evidently very dirty, and we'll put these right into the blind cleaning rack without even undoing them or anything like that, and drop them into our cleaning tank. And all we need to do is turn on the ultrasonics, and we'll see how awesome this can work. We'll turn that off, pull these out, get it ready for the rinse tank. As you can see, these blinds are much cleaner now, with none of that dirt on there. So we'll set this right into the rinsing tank, which you can see has an aeration system in it, to allow the bubbles to float up through and rinse the blinds much faster. We'll drop that into here. Give them a second to rinse. Remember, this is a very quick and effective process. So this cleaning can be done within a mere minutes for each blind. We'll pull this out. And as you can see, we've got very perfectly clean blinds. The only problem is they're a little wet. So we'll throw them up top here, onto the holes there, and give them a quick blow off. Now these blinds are basically dried off and ready to be put back into a house now. We'll set these aside, and you can see how clean they are here, with all that dirt being removed from them, none of the dirt that we saw on there before. We'll set these aside and try cleaning some slightly more difficult blinds. These blinds here are vertical blinds, and you can see just all this dirt and pop and nasty gunk on there, and all we have to do is drop this into the ultrasonic cleaning tank, and we can see how well this stuff will become clean. turn the ultrasonics on and watch this stuff do its magic. I'll pull it up here and you can see the dirt was coming right off of them. See, look at how clean these vines are becoming. Now these are those with all that nasty gunk on them, and now they're pretty clean. For the video purposes, we'll pull them out now, but you might need to put them in for a couple minutes, but anyway. See, look at how quickly that works. These things are pretty clean now. We'll take them, move them into our rinsing tank here. Allow these to be rinsed. And then we'll put them into the basket here. These things are clean and ready to go. Back into a house. As you can see, the blinds here are pretty much clean. There's still some slight debris on there, but that's just a time issue that we can put them in there longer if we needed to. We can also do accordion style blinds, like this one right here. And you can see how dirty this one is and how much this needs to be cleaned. We'll throw this into the ultrasonic cleaning tank here on the basket, and then into the cleaning tank, and we'll allow this to work. And you can see these blinds becoming cleaner by the second. Put them in there for just a little while longer. Oh, look at that, we already have some pretty clean blinds there. We'll take these and set these right into the rinse tank. And allow these to rinse off. And you can see we have some pretty clean blinds. Pull these out. Put them onto our rack there, and then we're able to dry these off with our blowing system here. The blower would work here, but we also incorporate a vacuum design where we can just vacuum this water right off with a shop vac. And that right there is how the Sharpertek ultrasonic blind cleaning system works.